this video, we're going to show you how to send shortcuts to an application using Foxtrot. We want to format all of this text in Excel by going to our toolbar up here and making various selections in order to choose this blue formatting here. So in order to do that, we're going to have to access Excel using hotkeys. If you push Alt on the keyboard, you'll see various hotkeys pop up on your toolbar. You make those letter selections in order to select which hotkey you would like to use. And we can do that using the down arrow and the right arrow in order to select our blue formatting over here. So let's show you how to do that with Foxtrot. First of all, we're going to have to use our targeter and target our title in order to select the entire application. Now we're going to do a send value action and go to our expression builder in order to access our keyboard tab. Now using our keyboard tab, we can select and click exactly which keys we would like to be executed. So here we'll put a Control A, which will select all of the data that's in our Excel form. We're going to enter in an Alt key, which will show us our hotkeys, and entering in the corresponding letters after that to make those selections. After we get to our formatting tab, we're going to choose down and right and enter in order to select that blue formatting that we wanted to do. So you'll see up in the general under send, you'll see the various keystrokes, and underneath the keystroke mode and speed, we're going to want to select none. And depending upon the application you're using, you can leave it on auto, but you may want to choose slow to slowest. We're going to enter in a note here that lets whoever's running our script know what this action does. So this is a shortcut to select all the cells and format the table. Foxtrot will then select all of those cells. Using the hotkeys, it will access our formatting and then give us this pop-up screen here. Now we can target that pop-up screen and use Foxtrot to send value. Go to our expression builder, select our keyboard again, and choose an enter key. Now this enter key will then do the same thing, and what it will do is we'll confirm the changes that were made. And here we're going to enter a note that lets us know that the keystroke hits enter, so whoever's running our script knows what that step should do. Then clicking on OK will then verify it and format our cells. What we're going to do next is use Foxtrot and show you how to send shortcut keys to go between text fields in an application. So the first thing we'll do here is we're just going to click in that field to mark that that is the target that we want to send our data to. Now once we do that, we're going to use our targeter and again target our title bar, which lets us target the entire application. We're going to send a value. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go to our expression builder and then access our keyboard. So here what we're going to do is put in down on the bottom address number 1 followed by dots. And then we're going to use the tab key, which will push us to the following field where we will type in address 2 followed by a few dots, plus the tab key again, and then type in postal code 123, and then a final tab to tab us out of that field. When we hit OK, you'll see Foxtrot send that information to that first field, then to the second field, and then finally to the last field with the postal code. Now we'll enter in our note here, so whoever's running our script will know that these 3 fields will be populated by the action that we're creating. Click OK to run. You'll see address 1 is inputted into the text field, followed by a tab with address 2, and then the postal code. Thanks for watching, guys. Tune in for more videos.